Assalamu alaikum. This is the early morning. I have come today to practice in English, and this is my only first video that is being made in this type of environment. It is a morning time, also is a winter. You're hearing me, seeing me. Also that I have worn a jacket and other things to protect myself from the cold weather. Today I'm come to the field, but in this video my main focus is to practice. How can anyone practice in English in these type of situations? And this is a morning time, and also it's a winter season in my field, in our field. The paddy is being sowed, paddy is started sowing already, and different kind of farmers from different districts have come to sow paddy, because in our village the number of farmer who really understand everything about farmers, who really can work hard, who really can make the field properly, this type of a number of farmers is very scarcity. For this reason, many farmers come from Bodishal, Rangpur division, but I don't know. I think here there is no person this field, because I'm the only person. I have come here after praying the morning prayer. Beautiful nature. I think you're hearing also the sound of birds, and you'll hear more through the ground. Also beautiful. Everyone, you cannot see the far away due to the mist. I think I cannot see anything. And in this year, I also noticed that this is my first visiting this field. Although I make a lot of video in this field, most of my English practicing video about this field. I made video mustard flower about canal. Last video upload about water canal. But in this video, I'll cover the everything. I'll try to do this. So keep practicing with me. How is your level of English? What's your situation of learning English? You could say something. Many people comment me, I want to learn English with you. But practice is important. Here, you're seeing one kind of canal. It's a man-made. So there is also field there. So you have to, water has to be given there. Okay, I will see the canal. Now what's the situation at the time of the canal? I'm hearing the sound of the field. It means the water is going. The water is going at that time. I made a video about this canal that was been uploaded last day, and still the water is being going through this canal. It's very beautiful, absolutely. Watching the environment in a village, early morning and afternoon is the best time. I thought I made a lot of video in the afternoon time, but I didn't make any video in the early morning. So today I have decided, or last I decided to do this, and so I have started this. So what's your opinion about this canal? I want to see the hair of the sound. I think you're hearing, maybe, okay. I will go forward first of all, or behind. Behind there is a followers, monster follower. I will see, okay. I want to go to forward to see the monster follower, the condition right now, okay. And after visiting 1 minute, I will go back. Very beautiful place. And this type of village is, it's rare to visit, or rare to found, especially that is located in our own district. If you get chance, you should visit this village, because very beautiful, very charming, very awesome, absolutely. Who really love the nature, love the village, because most of the film, most of the drama made in winter season, especially in the village, because it's a natural view. People like this natural view. Here the canal has been broken. You're hearing this, The canal system is not good. Some wall or concrete was being taken down from some people, but be careful here. Okay, this is a muddy. Okay, okay, behind me this is a monster followers, but the condition right now it's not well. I will show you before the followers. Look at this followers. Now the followers was full of mist and it is full of the water also. Followers, if you want to watch this properly, you have to come in the afternoon time. Now the follower is not properly to watch or enjoy, but it's a one kind of enjoyable thing, and it's different kind of looks in the early morning and in the afternoon time. Okay, I have visited these followers. I promised you this video I will cover the whole my village lives and village situations. The most attractive thing, this canal, monster followers, and the ground full of the mist. What's your opinion about our village? You could comment down under this video. I think the water has been given since last night, maybe, because this is a large part, the large ground of our village, and lot of fields are available here, lands also. I have no idea how many acres is available in this village, the cultivated field, maybe thousands of acres or more. So it takes lot of water, and among the other crops, paddy is one of the crops who takes a lot of water. So this is the big thing for me, because I have come to nature to enjoy. I think you're hearing the bird sound. Early morning is good for everything. There is lot of books of early morning about miracle morning. The miracle morning is one of the best book. You can read this. There is a homestead, and here different kind of crops, especially the bottle gourd. Especially the bottle gourd has been cultivated here. Very beautiful. This is the last stream of our village, and here behind me you're looking, there is a one farmer. He's not farmer, he's a controller of the canal, and you hear me, he's a controller. Last week I talk about this person, he's a controller of this water, like the canal system he controls by machines, and he check which field should need the water, and they give by spade. I will give something, and here this field is totally prepared, and already the seed was remained on this ground or on this field. You're hearing that, and maybe from today the seed will be sown on this field. Very beautiful. Look at this, the seed of paddy. And I made video about this also. Very beautiful. Now I am a little bit cold because my hands and legs, there was no any shock, any kind of shock. So my hands especially, it is getting cold. No problem, I can make video for a long time, because I promised you I will cover our whole. Oh, beautiful, excellent. Have you ever seen a grate in a village? It comes. And also I will show in winter season the different kind of friends bird. It's the relative birds or unknown unique birds come from Serbia. You know about this, and if I get chance, I will cover those person or those birds also, because they looks very beautiful. There is a grass behind this. I can not see it, but I'm hearing this. There is a grass behind there. I don't see. Okay, I will go there. How can I go there? Oh my god, there is no any dried road because full of the water. Inshallah, I'll show you. Okay, Just keep watching with me. Okay, okay, okay. I will choose. We will choose the forward route to go there. Beautiful, very beautiful. Good idea. So keep our minds fresh. Keep our minds from the digital device, especially the mobile. Watching nature in winter season, especially, will be the best figure. Will be the best sight. Look, the egrets is flying over my head, and you'll see more. Inshallah. Oh no, the grass is going far away. Oh my god. But I'll show you, inshallah, no problem. Very good. Because people like egrets, I also like egrets. Awesome. And I'm about to the last corner of water canal, especially I'm going to the water canal. Because beside the water canal, a lot of egrets is standing. Okay. Now I have got at the water canal. Okay. I'll cover us the egrets. I think you're hearing this or seeing the egrets maybe. No problem, I'll go forward them. Because egrets color is white, mist also white, so it's very hard to cover us before far away. I will go there inshallah. Be careful, Maruf. Be careful because it's very hard to watch and hard to go there. Okay, I think you're hearing that. The egrets is behind me. They are flying right now. They are flying right now. Yes, yes. I think you hear this is momentum because if I go far away, the egrets must fly from their places. So this video I have tried to cover the my whole grounds and whole field hour, and I think if you have field, you should go your field and practice more better than me. And inshallah, one day you must speak fluently as a native speaker. So goodbye. See you in the next video with another place, new topic.